Eat these foods to protect and repair your eyes. Maintaining eye health is essential for ensuring clear and functional vision throughout life, and nutrition plays a crucial role in this process. Many nutrients are known for their beneficial properties for the eyes, helping to prevent diseases and keep vision healthy. Among these, vitamins and antioxidants are particularly important for protecting the eyes from damage caused by oxidative stress and blue light exposure. In this context, various foods stand out for their specific benefits to eye health. In this video, we will explore the best foods that can help preserve and improve vision, explaining how each contributes to eye health and how to effectively include them in your diet. Number 1. Carrots. Carrots are extremely beneficial for eye health, mainly due to their high beta-carotene content, which is a precursor to vitamin A. When we consume carrots, our body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A, essential for visual function. Vitamin A is a vital component of rhodopsin, a protein in the eyes that allows for vision in low-light conditions. Additionally, beta-carotene has antioxidant properties, helping to combat free radicals that can damage eye cells. Scientific studies show that vitamin A deficiency can lead to conditions such as night blindness and, in severe cases, xerophthalmia, a disease that causes dryness and opacity of the cornea. Incorporating carrots into your diet, whether in salads, juices, or as snacks, is a simple and effective way to support eye health and maintain clear and healthy vision throughout life. Number 2. Spinach. Spinach is a superfood for eye health, packed with essential nutrients, particularly lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants found in high concentration in the macula, the central part of the retina. These antioxidants act like an internal sunscreen, protecting the eyes from damage caused by high-energy blue light and reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration, known as AMD, one of the leading causes of vision loss in older adults. Additionally, spinach is rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, all of which help neutralize free radicals, preventing oxidative damage to eye cells. Studies indicate that regular consumption of spinach may help maintain macular pigment density, crucial for preserving central vision. Including spinach in your diet, whether raw in salads, cooked in soups, or in smoothies, is an effective way to promote robust eye health and prevent degenerative eye diseases. Number 3. Salmon. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, essential nutrients for eye health. These fatty acids, particularly DHA, are important structural components of retinal cell membranes. Regular consumption of omega-3s can help reduce the risk of AMD and dry eye syndrome, conditions that affect many people, especially as they age. Studies show that omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties, helping to maintain the integrity of blood vessels in the eyes and improve blood circulation. Additionally, salmon contains astaxanthin, an antioxidant that protects the eyes from oxidative damage. Including salmon in your diet, whether grilled, baked, or as sashimi, can provide a significant amount of these beneficial nutrients, promoting healthy vision and protecting against degenerative eye diseases. Number 4. Eggs. Eggs are an incredible source of essential nutrients for eye health, especially lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants are found in the egg yolk and play a crucial role in protecting the eyes from damage caused by blue light and free radicals. Lutein and zeaxanthin help increase macular pigment density, which acts as a natural barrier against harmful light rays, reducing the risk of AMD and cataracts. Additionally, eggs contain vitamin A, which is fundamental for night vision and the maintenance of conjunctival cells, and zinc, which contributes to retinal health. Consuming eggs regularly, whether boiled, scrambled, or in omelets, is a practical and effective way to ensure intake of these vital nutrients, promoting longevity and eye health. If you are looking for a significant transformation in your life, you are in the right place. We present the SMOOTHIE Diet, an innovative 3-week weight loss program that enables you to lose up to 30 pounds. With thousands of people transforming their lives, the SMOOTHIE Diet has established itself as a reference in effectiveness and results. Led by health coach Drew, one of the leading figures in the fitness world, this program offers a proven and effective approach. To learn more about the SMOOTHIE Diet, click the link in the description or the pinned comment. Number 5. Almonds. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in protecting the eyes against oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin E helps prevent AMD and cataracts, two common eye conditions that can lead to vision loss. Additionally, studies suggest that vitamin E may help slow the progression of these diseases in people who already have early symptoms. Almonds also contain omega-3 fatty acids and minerals like zinc, which are essential for maintaining eye health. Including a serving of almonds in your daily diet, whether as a snack, in salads, or in yogurts, is a delicious and effective way to provide your body with the necessary nutrients to protect and preserve vision, keeping your eyes healthy and functioning properly throughout life. Number 6. Oranges. Oranges are an excellent source of vitamin C, an essential antioxidant for eye health. Vitamin C helps maintain the integrity of blood vessels in the eyes and is crucial for collagen formation, which provides structure to the cornea and sclera. Studies show that regular intake of vitamin C can reduce the risk of developing cataracts and slow the progression of AMD. Additionally, oranges contain other antioxidants such as flavonoids and beta-carotene, which together help combat oxidative stress and protect the eyes from damage caused by free radicals. Consuming fresh oranges or natural orange juice, in addition to providing a generous dose of vitamin C, contributes to hydration and fiber intake, promoting overall health and, consequently, eye health. Incorporating oranges into your daily diet is a tasty and effective way to keep your vision clear and healthy. Number 7. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are an excellent ally for eye health due to their high beta-carotene content, which the body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for vision, particularly for the ability to see in low-light conditions. Vitamin A deficiency can lead to night blindness and, in severe cases, xerophthalmia, condition that causes dryness and damage to the cornea. Additionally, sweet potatoes contain antioxidants like vitamin C and manganese, which help protect eye cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. These nutrients also contribute to maintaining the health of blood vessels in the eyes. Regular inclusion of sweet potatoes in your diet, whether baked, boiled, or in purees, provides a significant dose of beta-carotene and other beneficial nutrients, helping to preserve vision and prevent age-related eye diseases. Number 8. Broccoli. Broccoli is a powerful food for eye health, rich in essential nutrients like lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin C. Lutein and zeaxanthin are antioxidants that concentrate in the retina and help protect the eyes from damage caused by high-energy blue light, reducing the risk of AMD and cataracts. Vitamin C, on the other hand, is an antioxidant that combats free radicals and helps maintain the health of blood vessels in the eyes. Additionally, broccoli contains sulforaphane, a compound with anti-inflammatory properties that may help protect against oxidative damage and inflammation in the eyes. Including broccoli in your diet, whether steamed, roasted, or in salads, offers a powerful combination of nutrients that work together to protect vision and maintain eye health in the long term. Number 9. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are excellent for eye health, primarily due to their high vitamin C content. This vitamin is crucial for maintaining the blood vessels in the eyes, helping to prevent cataracts and AMD. Additionally, red bell peppers are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, essential for night vision and overall eye health. They also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that accumulate in the retina and protect the eyes from damage caused by blue light and free radicals. These compounds help maintain macular pigment density, reducing the risk of AMD. Incorporating red bell peppers into your diet, whether raw in salads, grilled, or cooked in dishes, provides a nutrient-rich boost that supports eye health and helps maintain clear, healthy vision. Number 10. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are a rich source of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that plays a vital role in protecting the eyes from oxidative damage and inflammation. Vitamin E helps neutralize free radicals, which can damage eye cells and contribute to the development of conditions like AMD and cataracts. Additionally, sunflower seeds are high in zinc, an essential mineral for eye health that helps maintain the integrity of the retina and contributes to preventing AMD. They also contain essential fatty acids, such as linoleic acid, which help maintain proper eye lubrication and reduce the risk of dry eye syndrome. Incorporating sunflower seeds into your diet, whether as a snack, in salads, or as an ingredient in dishes, is a delicious and effective way to provide your body with important nutrients for eye health. Number 11. Kiwi. Kiwi is an excellent fruit for eye health, highlighted by its high vitamin C content, which is crucial for maintaining the health of blood vessels in the eyes and preventing cataracts and AMD. In addition to vitamin C, kiwi contains antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are crucial for protecting the retina from damage caused by blue light and free radicals. These compounds help filter harmful blue light and protect the macula's health, reducing the risk of degenerative eye diseases. Kiwi also offers a good amount of vitamin E and zinc, which contribute to overall eye health and protection. Incorporating kiwi into your diet, whether in smoothies, salads, or as a snack, is a tasty and effective way to obtain a powerful combination of nutrients that promote eye health and maintain clear, healthy vision. Number 12, berries. Berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are notable for their high vitamin C and antioxidant content, which play a key role in eye protection. Vitamin C helps maintain the health of blood vessels in the eyes and can reduce the risk of cataracts and AMD. Additionally, these fruits are rich in anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help protect the retina from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. Studies show that anthocyanins can improve visual function and reduce the risk of degenerative eye diseases. Incorporating berries into your diet, whether in smoothies, salads, or as a snack, provides a delicious way to obtain a potent mix of nutrients that support eye health and preserve vision throughout life. Number 13, beans. Beans are valuable for eye health due to their high zinc content, an essential mineral for proper retinal function and vision maintenance. Zinc plays a crucial role in the formation of melanin, a protective pigment in the eyes, and in preventing conditions like AMD. Additionally, beans contain antioxidants, such as flavonoids and vitamin C, which help neutralize free radicals and protect eye tissues from oxidative damage. These nutrients work together to reduce the risk of cataracts and other degenerative eye diseases. Beans are also an excellent source of protein and fiber, making them a healthy, nutritious choice for a balanced diet. Incorporating beans into soups, salads, or as a side dish is an effective way to obtain the nutrients necessary to promote and maintain good eye health. Number 14, corn. Corn is an excellent source of lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that play a crucial role in protecting the eyes from damage caused by blue light and free radicals. These nutrients accumulate in the retina, especially in the macula, and help filter harmful blue light, reducing the risk of AMD and cataracts. Additionally, corn contains vitamin C and vitamin E, which are additional antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and maintain the health of eye blood vessels. Regular consumption of corn, whether on the cob, in salads, or as an ingredient in various dishes, provides a combination of nutrients that promote eye health and help maintain clear, healthy vision throughout life. Number 15, pumpkin. Pumpkin is an excellent source of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, essential for eye health. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining night vision and the integrity of eye surfaces, and its deficiency can lead to problems like night blindness and xerophthalmia. In addition to beta-carotene, pumpkin contains vitamin C and other antioxidants that help protect the eyes from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. These nutrients work together to prevent AMD and cataracts, promoting overall eye health. Incorporating pumpkin into your diet, whether roasted, in soups, or as a puree, is a tasty and nutritious way to provide your body with the components needed to keep vision clear and healthy. In summary, a diet rich in foods that promote eye health is an effective strategy for preserving and improving vision throughout life. Foods like carrots, spinach, salmon, and berries offer a powerful combination of essential nutrients, such as vitamins A, C, and E, as well as antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. These nutrients play vital roles in protecting the eyes from oxidative damage, free radicals, and harmful blue light, reducing the risk of eye diseases like cataracts and AMD. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet not only supports eye health but also contributes to overall well-being. By adopting a balanced diet rich in eye-friendly nutrients, you are investing in maintaining clear and healthy vision for the future. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and share with your friends.